Hey guys, what's going on? So with springtime here and termite season upon us, we got Dylan out here who does all of our pest control, and we're actually doing a termite job, and we wanted to talk to you about when you get your termite treatment. You basically have two different options. You've got bait stations, and then you have liquid treatments. And the basic gist of this is that you have one or two ways of going about this. You can surround the perimeter of the house with these baits that go underground. Termites are what is considered a subterranean insect, which means that they live and travel underground. So you want to get your product below ground wherever they are. Or you can trench the perimeter of your house against the slab line, and then you soak that soil using liquids and then cover that back up. Now, there are advantages and disadvantages to both, I guess you could say. We prefer to use the baiting system. Dylan, tell us a couple of pros and cons real quick. Why do you want to use bait over the actual liquid treatments?
Well, for one, with bait, it is more effective as far as colony elimination. So you're actually eliminating the entire termite colony.
And that happens because?
The way they're feeding on this bait, it's a growth regulator. Okay, so it's a chitin inhibitor. They come and feed on this bait, take it back to the queen and the termite colony, and it prevents the molting process, which is basically the shedding of the termite's exoskeleton. And if they can't shed their skin, they will die. Okay.
Okay. So the bait stations eliminate. Do you get elimination with the liquid?
You do, but you don't at the same time. When you're comparing bait versus liquid, it's kind of like apples and oranges. Okay. Bait is going to eliminate the entire colony versus a liquid product. It may kill on contact, but the long-term residual of a liquid product can be disturbed in many ways. Due to rain, due to landscaping work, it could be due to
any number of things, really. Okay.
With a baiting system, the bait's in the ground, it's not being disturbed by the elements such as rain or sun or any chemicals being sprayed, or anything like that. So the advantages to a bait versus a liquid is always going to be a better thing. So
if I understand you correctly, with the liquid you're trying to kill the actual termite. So you're intercepting them getting to the food source, and then that's going to kill them, and then eventually over time you're going to kill enough of your workers to where the colony can't be supported.
Correct.
So it doesn't necessarily eliminate the colony through a product, it eliminates it through attrition, because over time you're going to kill a lot of the workers. Whereas with the bait system, they're actually going to feed on the bait, carry the bait back to the colony, and then when the rest of the colony feeds on the bait, that's what's going to eliminate the entire colony. Correct. Okay. And then some other advantages you were telling me about it is the actual inspection process. So once you get your termite treatment, you need to have an annual, or actually a semi-annual, where you're going to come at least twice a year. You need to inspect your termite stations, or you need to inspect your termite treatment. With a liquid, you can't, because it's a liquid underground and it's invisible.
Correct.
But whereas with these, you can pull the baits out and see whether or not there's been any activity, make adjustments, and have a better understanding about what's actually going on.
Correct.
Am I missing anything there?
Perfect.
Good deal. So those are your basic differences between using a liquid product versus using a baiting. We choose bait. There's not necessarily saying that one's right or the other. One's right or wrong. It's just personal preference. We just feel like you get better control this way. If you got any questions, let us know. Y'all have a good day.